Have you ever wondered how your smartphone connects to the internet and allows you to communicate seamlessly? In the blink of an eye, you're sending emojis, streaming your favorite show, or video calling a friend halfway across the globe. It's nothing short of magic, right? But in reality, it's all about wireless communication. Now imagine the air around you filled with invisible signals buzzing back and forth. That's essentially what's happening when you use your smartphone. These signals are like the messengers carrying your data to and from your device. But how do these signals avoid getting mixed up with each other? And more importantly, how do they allow you to send and receive data at the same time? Well, the answer lies in a fascinating technology called code division duplexing, or CDD for short. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring each instrument plays its part without disturbing the others. To understand this better, we need to dive into the world of code division duplexing. Imagine you're at a crowded party trying to have a conversation with your friend. How do you make sure your friend hears you clearly amidst all the noise? Picture this. You're in a room filled with people, everyone is talking, music is playing, and you're trying to have a conversation with your friend. It's noisy, it's chaotic, but you still manage to communicate. How? You might raise your voice, use hand gestures, or even move to a quieter spot. Now let's translate this scenario into the world of wireless communication. The party represents the crowded spectrum of wireless frequencies. All the devices, smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, they're the partygoers all trying to communicate at once. The music, the chatter, the clinking glasses, and that's the noise or interference in the wireless world. So how do your devices manage to communicate clearly amidst all this wireless noise? Enter code division duplexing, or CDD for short. Much like how you might raise your voice or use hand gestures to be heard at a party, CDD uses a clever method to ensure your device can communicate effectively. Think of CDD as a unique code, a secret language, if you will, that each device uses to communicate with the cell tower. Even when there are multiple devices trying to communicate at the same time, on the same frequency, each device's unique CDD code ensures that its message gets through clearly. It's like having a private conversation in a crowded room. Despite the noise, you and your friend can understand each other because you're tuned into each other's frequency, ignoring the rest of the noise. That's exactly what CDD does. It allows your device to tune into the specific frequency it needs to, ignoring the rest of the wireless noise. Just like how you speak louder to be heard at a party, CDD helps your phone communicate clearly, even when there's a lot of wireless noise. It's an essential part of the magic that makes wireless communication possible, enabling us to stay connected in our increasingly digital world. So, next time you're at a party, remember the CDD, your phone's secret to cutting through the noise. But how exactly does CDD work? It's all about secret codes. Let's picture it this way. Imagine you're in a bustling city with everyone speaking different languages. You might hear English, Spanish, French, or even Mandarin. However, amidst all this linguistic chaos, you and your friend have your own secret language that only the two of you understand. That's the magic of code division duplexing. In the world of wireless communication, the crowded city is the air around us, filled with signals from countless devices, all trying to communicate at the same time. These devices might be smartphones, tablets, or even smart home devices like your fridge or thermostat. Each of these devices is speaking its own language, which is actually a code assigned to it by CDD. Now, let's say your smartphone wants to send a selfie to your friend's phone. It doesn't just shout the selfie into the air. Instead, it uses its unique CDD code, its secret language, to communicate with the cell tower. This code allows your phone to talk to the tower, sending your selfie through the air, even while it's listening for replies or other data from the tower. The real beauty of CDD is that it allows multiple devices to share the same frequency. It's like a room full of people, all speaking different languages, but somehow managing not to interrupt each other's conversations. Each device has its own unique code so it can communicate clearly without causing interference to others. Just think about it, without these secret codes, our devices would be like a room full of people, all shouting in the same language, trying to be heard. It would be utter chaos. But thanks to CDD, every device gets to have its own conversation smoothly and efficiently without drowning out or interfering with others. So, in essence, CDD is like a secret language that allows your phone to talk and listen at the same time without any interference. It's the secret whisper in the ear of the cell tower that keeps your digital life running smoothly. So now you know how CDD works. But why is it so important in wireless communication? Let's take a moment to reflect on the magic of code division duplexing. It's like the unsung hero in the world of wireless communication, working behind the scenes to ensure your phone calls, texts, and video streams are delivered without a hitch. At its core, CDD is about maximizing efficiency and minimizing interference. Think about it. In a world teeming with devices all clamoring for a slice of the frequency pie, CDD ensures everyone gets a piece. It assigns unique codes to each user, allowing multiple devices to share the same frequency without causing pandemonium. In essence, CDD is like a masterful conductor orchestrating a symphony of signals, ensuring each device communicates clearly and effectively, even amidst the cacophony of wireless noise. And that's how code division duplexing makes your seamless communication possible. It's the secret language that helps your phone connect to the world.